Hello, dear friends. Happy to share that myself, Dr. N. Usharani, is conducting an online workshop on fabric painting for beginners from January 8th to 11th for 4 days from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. through Zoom Meet. So, for this workshop, there is no age limit. Whoever is interested can join. You can register through the link given in the blog. At the same time, the registration link has also been given in the description box in my YouTube video. For details, you can also visit my channel, Dr. N. Usharani. This is an Zoom meeting. This will be conducted by Zoom Meet in a 12-hour live direct interactive session. And the things that you are going to learn are sketch and paint on any type of fabric of your choice from natural to synthetic ones. You can learn how to paint single stroke flowers, buds, leaves, shaded floral motifs on fabrics. You will be taught to assemble the stretcher frame, how to stretch the fabric onto the frame. Then you can create your own designs on the fabric. Then you will be taught of painting and mixing colors on the fabric. And I'll also be discussing on the easy painting techniques for elegant looks. Elegant and professional looks of your painting. So there is no age limit. Anyone who is passionate about the art can attend. Who wants to improve the painting skills, then who wants to design their own fabric, people who want to know simple and smart techniques, then also teaching will be done in Telugu, English and Hindi, suitable to all the participants. So register soon. Thank you.